Let us see what are the arithmetic operations allowed on pointers. So I'll take an example, and through example I'll explain you. Suppose I have an array int a of size 5 with some elements, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have some elements here. Then I will take one pointer p, and this I will make it point on this array. So I will draw it diagrammatically and show you. This is an array. The indices are, suppose the addresses, assume that addresses are 200 and 201, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 206 and 7, 208 and 9. These are the addresses. And also I have a pointer p. So this p is a pointer which is having address 200 because I have assigned a. So pointer is pointing to a. Pointer is pointing to the beginning address of an array. Now I can access this array by name a as well as with the help of pointer. So I will write on the elements also here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let us see what are the operations allowed using pointers. So there are total 5 operations allowed using pointer. So the first operation, I can say p plus plus. What does it mean? Pointer will move to next location. So what is the address inside the pointer? 200. Then it will move to next location. I will not write the box and show you. Then it will move to the location here, that is 202. How? P was 200, then p plus plus means it should become 201. No, here plus plus we don't mean adding 1 to the address. We mean move to the next location. Just like when we say C, it's a C language. When we say C++, it doesn't mean that we want to add 1 to C language. We want to move to the next step in C, that is object oriented C language. That's how plus plus means next, not plus 1. So that's how the meaning we make. So when you say p plus plus, pointer will move to the next location. So this is one of the operations. So it means you can move the pointer forward. It is an integer pointer, so it has incremented by 2. When it was 200, it became 202. If it was float pointer, then it will move by 4 bytes because float takes 4 bytes. If it is a character pointer, then it will move by 1 byte. So how many bytes a pointer will move forward when you say plus plus? It depends on the data type of a pointer. So that's how data type is useful here when you perform pointer arithmetic. Then plus plus means pointer is moving forward. So can you say p minus minus? Yes, pointer will move backward. If right now suppose it is at 202, then it will come on 200. So just how plus plus works, similarly minus minus works. Then other operation, third operation. Can I add some constant value to a pointer? And again I will assign it to p only. Can I say p plus 2? Yes, I can. Suppose the pointer is pointing on 202 right now. Then if you say p assign p plus 2, then it will move by 2 integers, 2 elements, 1, 2. So where the pointer will go now? Pointer will point on 206. So this will move the pointer forward by 2 elements. So same way, p assign p minus 2 will move the pointer backward by 2 elements. So here you can write down some constant value, 2 or 3 or 200, any number you can write. So these are the 4 operations that are allowed on a pointer. Now fifth operation I'll show you. Suppose I have a pointer p that is pointing on 200. Again I have one more pointer, that is q, that is pointing on 206. Assume this one. So I will declare it here, integer star q, that is pointing on ampersand a of 3. So it's pointing on 206. Now see this, I can say q minus p, and take it in some variable d. So this is the fifth operation. So what is the result? What happens when you subtract two pointers? Q minus P, that is 206 minus 200. This will give 6, but divided by 2. What is that? Why we are dividing it by 2? Because these are integers and their sizes are 2. So answer is what? 3. So what is this 3? This shows that this pointer is 3 elements away from this pointer. So we get to know the distance between two pointers. So this gives the distance between two pointers, or the number of elements in between two pointers, how many elements they are away from one another. So actual addresses are subtracted, their difference is divided by the size of the data type, then that's how we get the number of elements between them. Now one more question is, what if I write 200 minus 206, then will it not be minus 6 by 2 and minus 3? That happens when I say instead of Q minus P, if I say P minus Q, then what is the result? Yes, I get minus 3 only. And this gives the meaning that minus means what? This pointer is nearer and this pointer is farther away. So with this negative, you can also know whether which pointer is first and which pointer is next. If I am getting positive result, then it means the first pointer is far away. If I am getting negative result, then it means the second pointer is far away in this difference. So that's all. Only 5 arithmetic operations are allowed on the pointer. Apart from this, you cannot perform any operation like addition of two pointers or multiplication, division, because that doesn't make any sense. Like here, plus plus was making sense that you go to next element, and minus minus, it was making sense that you come back to the previous element or move this element away, in forward, in backward, then give the difference between two pointers. These are making sense, so that is the reason only these 5 operations are there. Now I made it very clear here, otherwise the pointer topic is very confusing. If you believe that there may be other operations also, you will get confused. These are the only 5 operations and these are their meanings. That's all. That's all. We have learned completely about the syntax of pointers. Then how to use them and how they are working with the help of addresses, I'll show you using programs. So practically I'll show you.